What's up everybody? It is Sunday and we are coming at you with a daily vlog video. I just woke up. Well, actually, I've been up since 2 a.m. Went to sleep at 4:30, got back up at like 6:30. I know my sleeping is super off. I ordered groceries, finished getting some things together for the Starlight and Love launch. I just put Taylor's headband on because my hair is a mess right now. And Taylor's not up. It's like probably like 9:30, so I'm gonna get up and make some breakfast. And today I'm making cornmeal porridge, so I'm taking you guys with me. Oh, and today we're going into Philadelphia. Well, we planned to go into Philadelphia for a Sunday drive out before, obviously, the win was announced. But even more the reason why we should probably be there, just to kind of feel the festivities in the air. And, you know, all of that stuff. So, anyways, let's go. Baby girl is over here measuring and watching her video. She's so artistically inclined, people. Look at her with her little measuring tape.
Okay, so about 10 and a half is where I want to put the towel.
I'm gonna have to get you a mannequin so you could like put it on the mannequin. Do you want some help?
No, it's fine.
Okay. This is how she learns her knitting. She watches.
Now that we have our
YouTube
chain,
guides.
what we're going to do from here is block off that last chain and do a chain up of 2. That counts as a half double crochet. From here, we're going to prepare
Baby girl.
Next, we're going to grab our 4mm hook.
So I'm adding cornmeal and I'm gonna make a big pot, so I just add the cornmeal here. All right, so this looks like about 2.5 cups. I'll add a little bit more. That's about 2.5 cups. I think that's good. Then we're going to add some water and start boiling this. So another key here is making sure that you prep the water, right? So you are putting salt. I put sea salt. This is a coarse sea salt, and you only want to put like a teaspoon. I just do 3 drops. All right, we're then going to put some ground nutmeg into this. And guys, this is just to season the water. Then we're going to put some ground cinnamon. Alright, so ground cinnamon. And usually if I have the cinnamon sticks or cinnamon leaves, I put those in. And last but certainly not least, some vanilla extract. Okay, then I'm going to mix this up. Then I'm going to cover this and let it come to a boil. The cornmeal we will only put in when this water starts boiling and getting hot, and I'll show you how to do that. This is going to make the softest cornmeal porridge ever. Janet Brooks teach me, you know. Oh, and Auntie Data too, of course. Auntie Data definitely helped. That's my aunt and my mom. Alright.
Okay.
Making cornmeal porridge.
You know, some get my things and want to make some porridge too.
Yeah?
Yeah, seriously, I'm gonna take more cornmeal too.
Oh, wow. Say good morning to Grandma T.
Morning.
Eh?
Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, my love. How are you?
Good, just crocheting something.
Oh, you are?
Yes, I am.
Well, I need you to crochet a blanket for me.
okay. I have a blanket going right now. I can send it to you. It's a big chunky blanket.
I gotta pay you for it. How much is it? How much? Tell your mama to price it.
20.
Girl, the yarn itself cost me how much money?
13.
Girl, no. How many did we
Girl,
buy?
she
It was
don't understand. You gotta teach her how to
$35.
do it.
It was?
Yeah.
You gotta teach her how to tell her how much,
Oh, okay.
calculate
$25.
how much yarn she's using and how much each of the yarn cost. And then she gotta factor in her time to do it.
Okay, $40.
You gotta teach her how to do
But
it.
you grandma said you have to calculate it. You can't just come up with an answer just so quickly, right?
$35. That means I have $5 to save.
No, you gotta calculate. You gotta add up how much
35
money
more to
was
buy
spent for the yarn.
So remember when I was writing down that stuff for you? I took notes. So when we went to the store, we said we're gonna calculate how much money we're spending, right? Let me go in. I have it as.
You wrote it in a notebook.
Oh, I did write in a notebook. It was $35 though, and we got 4 yarns. Was it 4? Tell us. So we got 4 yarns, and then you have to factor in your time. The blanket isn't done yet, which is what I'm saying. You need to figure out how long it's gonna take me to fully make this blanket. Then you price it.
It'll take about, and it's going to take more than 4.
So how are you gonna charge $40 when you spend $35 for it? Your profit is only
You gotta tell her
$5.
how to divide. She gotta learn how to
So
add.
we'll write it down, okay?
She gotta learn how to add and subtract the monies.
I have you on my YouTube, mommy. Say good morning to the people.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Weird.
Taylor said we're weird. Okay, so this is nice and ready. It's boiling up. Very good, very good. All right, guys, so this is really the secret, right? You gotta make sure that when you do this, you're using cold water. So I'm using water from the refrigerator. So the key is to pour and mix as you go, because if you don't, then the cornmeal will get thick, right? And you don't want it to get too thick. So you want to keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. Let's bring the pot over to the stove. I'm just taking out a little spoon to use. And you're just gonna pour that. What's up? I'm back, peeps. All right, so as you can see, I just gelled up my hair a little bit, put on a little makeup, you know, feeling myself a little bit. Ready to go. All right, guys, see y'all when we head to Philly. Babes just got home, so Taylor and I are about to head out. Taylor! Oh, guys, we're sharing our new savings goal with you guys, and it's a new computer. We both have MacBooks, but they're probably like 6 years old. And so as you can see, we started this on October 25th. I started it with $125 and Taylor added $25 on the 25th also. And then hubby added $40. And then Taylor added 30. Wait, did she add 30? No, I added 20. No, she added 20 and then I added 12 like the day after. So that's like from some of her money. She wants to be a part of it, so we let her be a part of the goal. But yeah, we are super, super excited. This goal is to get us, well, our time frame is by December 24th. So as you can see, I typically write goals like that. So this goal is for Starlight in Love for July. I haven't updated anything recently, but in April I also put something there. I like to affirm, and by the way, I made that extra $100 because I wanted to get to a specific goal by the end of the month, and I did it. Babe's still watering his tomatoes. They have a little bit left on there.
They're getting smaller though, you see?
Yeah, and the top part drying out. Water you plant them, yeah, babe. Water you plant them. But all I wonder is why we're not getting a pepper yet? Why we're not getting a pepper yet?
Next season, man.
So then we should probably, oh, well, our rosemary's still good. We keep using the rosemary. Babe eating his porridge to go since we kind of run late.
Yeah, babe.
Dang, babe.
You do good. This was worth the wait.
Oh, wait.
First meal for the morning.
Oh, you didn't eat? Jerry ate. He couldn't wait. Hey, y'all.
Continue straight
So
for
we're
14
on our
minutes
way
to
to
exit
Philly. I think we
22,
said that
a 676, US 30, Central
Hubby is
Philadelphia,
driving.
Gallo Hill Street.
And the navigation doesn't have any respect for me. Because I'm talking and she want to talk. That's how his navigations always are. They're disrespectful to me. Did I tell you? Remember that time we drove to DC? She's always so disrespectful. I took hubby's car. And like she's always sending me all over the place, but when he drives, she wanna work. What's up with your navigation?
Takes care of me. Take me where I need to go. Bring me back home to you, son.
But when I'm in the car, she acts
Because
a
you always
fool.
contradicting her. You be like, oh, don't listen to her. She be like, take the next exit. Like,
And I'm like, it's not the next exit.
but she don't know the traffic. My girl know the traffic. That might be the short as well, but maybe today got traffic. So I listen to my girl.
I have one for you in my bag.
Show them your outfit.
So I'm just rocking a quick turtleneck. I can take it off if I want to. You know, rocking the booties. Yeah.
Booties, you know.
Rocking hubby's shirt.
As always.
Huh?
As always.
As always.
Rocking daddy's shirt as always.
Put on your belt.
What are you rocking today, Hub?
My clothes.
Moving on. What you rocking today, Jay?
Oh, this is my normal.
No, it's not.
This is my normal.
Your normal was wearing this. Mommy, yeah.
She is taking pictures of Taylor for me because oh, I like that pose, baby girl.
Come on,
yes,
man. Come on, man.
yes. Our photographer daddy on the job. Alright guys, our appetizer is here. We have some rum punch, guacamole,
I didn't see that.
shrimp ceviche, and quesadilla. Some rum punch. This rum punch is full of ice.
And no rum. Say one glass or the might be the actual next.
Yeah, that's true, because look at the little cup. You order shrimp ceviche? Every time I order something, I order it too.
I'm glad the other watching videos to know how this food thing goes. We walk about
The walk is good.
This is good. Yeah?
Let me try a shrimp. This is a shrimp ceviche, guys. That's so good. Would you can I send me a salsa? Look at this little plantain chips.
You have cheese in those, right? I'll take it.
I didn't listen.
We all heard.
But he's like guns out. I'm just like, baby, look kind of big I do.
Look at the monkey ain't got nothing on me now, eh? Monkey ain't got nothing on me.
Babe. Wait, it didn't look this big before.
That's what she said.
Sure. Don't it look a little bigger, Taylor? It look a little bigger, man. It look a little bigger.
Then the other person just jumps up and puts their butt in your hand.
Yeah, exactly. You gotta jump up now.
So they're literally just sitting in like
That's a
this.
hard one. I want to see videos of that. That sounds like a hard one right there.
Not right now, I'm wearing a skirt.
That's right. How is it?
So this is mahi crusted and planted.
Oh, really? Wow. Is it good? I like for that stuff. Taylor, what do you say?
Did I get any wet in it?
Oh, there she goes.
Excuse me.
Burrito's the best.
Jeremy, what do you say?
They have like hot sauce.
Me ain't even digging yet, but it
Oh, I'll
smells good,
take
so
two more.
It tastes
So
good.
3.
Yeah, I say wet enough.
yeah, but me ain't even digging yet, but it smells good, so.
Nobody can beat my burrito.
No? I mean, okay.
At least I tasted for you.
Those look good, actually.
The rice. We need 2 of this.
I have some of the rice and beans in my burrito.
Yeah, is it good?
The beans are good.
My goodness. Taylor, you're gonna love that.
A little bit salty.
Food good. Alright, let's go eat. We'll catch y'all later. We're driving on. Yes, Taylor?
We're heading down to Spruce right now.
Spruce Street.
Spruce Street Harbor.
with the tray for me.
So this is Spruce Street Harbor, guys. During the summer, like, this place is so lit up. And all these little colorful little trailers, they're all restaurants. This area right here, they have a lot of well, they had a lot of, what do you call those, hammocks. They had a lot of games for people. Now they don't really have any hammocks put up anywhere.
I stopped.
A lot of the trailers are closed.
Because you dropped it and you were pushing me.
You said to pull your hand.
Like, a lot of the food places are closed. Well, all of them. I stand corrected. So it's a nice little walkout, you know, just to be on the water, kind of enjoy the sunset.